Welcome to the TimeWaver training video, how to create and manage clients. If you start the TimeWaver software, you have the client structure like this. You have one user and you have several clients you can sort and manage in folders and families and subfolders in a certain hierarchy. If you would like to create a new folder, then you mark the client folder here and you go in new folder, and here you could say, for example, clients A. You could also say family, friends, praxis A, praxis B, however you would like to manage the folders. In this folder I would like to add or create a new client. I go on new up here, and as soon as I click on new, this pop-up window appears. Here you have the chance to create a new person, an animal, plant, enterprise, building, and so on. But for general usage of TimeWaver, you would probably create a new person. First you type in the first name. I call him Advane, living in Home Street, zip code is just like this, living in hometown and in homeland. This is a male, birthplace is also in hometown and also in homeland. If you would like to add the birth date, please tick the square here, and then you just tick on the first one and you add the birth dates as it goes. 1999. Next you could go into symbols and you add a certain picture for the client. So you could add a present client picture and you can use this in the client data section. Click on new and find a picture of your choice you have made from the client or the client has made from the laptop camera. I have a picture, I'm using this one right now. And then you please ask the client to place the hand on the TimeWaver while you click record here. You click record and then TimeWaver is recording the vibrational pattern of the client on two different levels, on the energy level and on the consciousness level. You can read through recording with noise generators. Please place the sample, or in this case the hand of the client, onto the lower right bowl. Just let the client place the hand or the palm fully on this bowl and press start recording. If you click record a second time, you are automatically on the consciousness level here, recording with light quantum resonator. Please place the hand on the upper central tray and press recording as well. After this, you also have the chance to add the mobile number or fax number. If you click on contacts here and then you click new, you could add phone, mobile, fax and email, and you can also put an additional note if you like to do so. If you click on notes in the last tab here, you can create some notes of the first, second or third session with the client. So when the client comes back again, you have all the notes you can go through and you see where you are at with the therapy. You could also inactivate the client. So it's just there, it's not for any optimization, but you could leave it like this as normal. You press OK, and our new client, as you see here, is the newly created client for our next analysis. You can of course import and export the client. If you click export here, you could export only the client data or with the lists. We don't have any lists yet, and you could export this on a memory stick and transfer it or import it onto your second TimeWaver station. If you would like to take another client, you have to go and change You have to find another client like this one. It's the same picture, and you confirm again with change, and you see right now it's still Ed Wayne as the active client, but if I press change now, it's Max Mustermann. If you would like to change to another client, again you go change, you find your client, Ed Wayne, you press change for confirmation, and you see in the brackets up here, this is our active client we are momentarily working with. If you click on change again, you see the whole structure. You could also take this client, keep the left mouse pressed, and just go up here and just let it drop down here into another folder. So clients can be moved from one folder to another. You could also take this client and move it and let it drop on the other client. So this is on the second level of hierarchy. This makes sense if this is a family member, kids, daughters, whatsoever. You could structure your client window as you like.